Hey, and welcome to Bitch. Today, I really wanted badly to make a tutorial on how to make a Snom plushie because I've seen a lot of my plush artist friends make one, and I've had a few private requests for this. I'm also going to make some of the instant noodles, berries and puffins because of all of the jokes about how much Snom eats, but I'll save that for its own video so that it's sort of like a Pokemon accessories video. Anyway, here's a list of everything you'll need. The Minky can be changed for felt if you want, and I'm just going to leave this here for a few seconds if you need to pause for reference. The pattern is for free on my DeviantArt. Print it or trace its size to an A4 piece of paper to achieve the same sizing result as in the video. All of my patterns are for personal use only currently, but I'll be making some original designs soon that you can use for your shops. Once you have the pattern, just begin cutting out the shapes, making sure you follow the key and to add seam allowance as my patterns don't include the seam. First thing you need to do is to sew the two white front face pieces together, but only down the middle in the straight line. Then take the two round blue back pieces and sew them along the large curve. Join the front piece to the two back pieces along the front curve. Use pins if you need to. Take the bottom piece and align it to the main body and begin sewing it on. In the video it looks like it doesn't fit, but that has been corrected in the final pattern so you shouldn't encounter the same issues that I do. Once you've nearly reached the end, flip it the right way up, stuff it with Polyfil and close off the open end with an invisible stitch. Take the two felt eyes and place them carefully on the front. You can PVO glue these, but I chose to use a backstitch to make it more secure. Then take the first 10 of the spike shapes and place two together with the tracing on the outside and sew around the curve, leaving the bottom open. Once done, flip it the right way up and stuff it enough to give it enough shape. Repeat this process for the remaining 4 spikes. Place the first spike on the back in the centre and use an invisible stitch to join it on. This is only so you have a reference point and can evenly add the rest of the spikes. Then sew on the next two with a small gap from the centre spike. Repeat the same with the remaining 2 on the side of the 2 you just sewed on. Then sew up the next 5 spikes. Repeat the same method used with the first set of spikes with a small gap back from them. Sew up the remaining 4 spikes. Place the first in the centre and a little back from the last set of spikes. Then, the next 2 beside it should be placed so that they're in the middle of the spikes on either side. Join the last spike below these to make a little tail. Finally, take the 2 white eye glints, apply a tiny bit of PVA glue on the back and place them carefully on the same side of each eye to create glints. And that is how you make a Snom plushie. These are so cute, and this is a great easy alternative to waiting for the Pokemon Center to release one. Hopefully I'll get to making it some felt food soon. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas that you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other craft videos? I post new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!